Alright, so for today's assignment, we have to do YouTube video problem 5. And on this problem, we have to make two drawings under the turtle module. One will look like this, and the other one would look like that. Now, the the clue here was that the only difference between these two is that it was 1 degree off. So when I went into Python and started this project, I imported Turtle, made the Turtle screen. I made the background color dark red. I actually sized my the window, so I made it 1,000 to 500. I imported one turtle. The first one was under Kevin. I made that turtle gold, and I made the pen size 2. Then I imported another turtle, and then that turtle was Garo, and that Garo's color was purple, and the pen size was 2 again. Today I'm gonna make pen size. Actually, I'm gonna keep it at 2. So what I did was I made Kevin. I picked up the pen, moved it 350 paces to the left, put it down, and then I picked up Garo, moved it 200 paces to the right, and then put it down. Then I defined the spiral, right? And then I put for I in range 100. And then turtle forward would be the size. Uh, and then the size is +3, right? So here I have size is 0 for Kevin. And the GT is the angle. Here's going to be 90. And then here for Caro, for the spiral, I have 0 again. But I'm technically adding 3 to it, so the size is technically 3. Um, and then the angle is going to be negative 91 degrees pretty much. And so when I run this, I'm going to save it real quick. And then when I run this, it's going to be, whenever it runs, there it goes. And we're done. I'm going to just extend this. Okay. And as you can see here, that the first turtle right here looks exactly like that one. And then the second turtle, move it on this side, looks exactly like this one. Granted, is just a minor of degrees. The ending there will start here, and then the ending on this one ends here, but just the degree that I chose. But yeah,